Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kawai pat kamat ke bakakan menteri jongka sarkar MDA kelai keren hakani kesngi ke sipotrek ubna jiliu. Kadai halor kajing penstat hakaba penteri kami ke skim penroy beper hak jela Meghalaya. Halor kani ke benta ke sarkar hakani kesngi lengba ke program implementation department ke jelang kelarai bagi menteri sarkar bakmi ye kitnat beper ban penbon ye ke jelang nang ni syakman bat kitnat ki badekmi ye ke kampen roy kenang ba onla ban bodden bat ban penstat ye ke kampen roy hak jela.
The cabinet through the PID department, program implementation department, because I think you remember last year the honorable chief minister what he did was he has instructed and entrusted to all the ministers, 11 ministers, to kindly conduct a systematic review meeting in each district. And then today PID has brought this systematic review meeting report out of the review meeting held and conducted by the respective ministers. And in this report, the cabinet has approved the report made by the PID, and also the cabinet has instructed PID department from now on that we should further go aggressively. Each minister should go aggressively to their respective districts. And again, I'm just telling you, this time the cabinet has decided to entrust one minister to one district for 1 year on the systematic review meeting. One minister, one district for 1 year continuously, where they can have the review meeting, where the minister can take a review meeting with the district administration. So I would like to say that the cabinet has decided and has also instructed the PID department to work out on these issues.